Aburinye said the IGP lost his sense, it's true. I, Alhaji Masaudu, today I said it on record that the IGP has lost his sense.
You were in court. You saw a news item where Sofu Azoka, who has actually threatened to kill the minority leader.
If Aburinye said the IGP lost his sense, it's true. I, Alhaji Masaudu, today I said it on record that the IGP has lost his sense. If he think he's here to work for the NDC, he should clearly tell us. We are all Ghanaians.
The same thing that they have arrested Aburinye for, you are also repeating the same thing. So,
I am telling you today, if IGP can arrest Aburinye living Azoka, then he lost his sense. If IGP can arrest Aburinye because he has insult, and the president of the land, John Mahama, has insulted the whole Achimda, they are Sakawa, they are Akim Mafia, and the IGP could not invite him, then he has a what? He has lost his sense. I am telling the IGP that he lost his sense. So unless the IGP come out and demonstrated competency, so that we know that he's working for Ghanaians but not working for the NDC. You see, when we talk about insult, that is the reason why I'm saying everybody have seen the nature of NDC. When we went to by-election at Akotia, it is clear in video when Azoka comes straight when I was granting an interview like the way I am granting interview today. Azoka comes straight without uttering any word to Azoka, no insult, nothing. To the extent Azoka was trying to even attack me when I'm telling him that he is my brother. We are all political parties, and even aside of political party, you and I are brothers.
So you filed a complaint at the police station?
So after that insult, I have filed a complaint at the Akotia police station. After that, when I come back to Accra, the Akotia police station, the station officer called me back, and they told me that they have transferred the case. They have transferred the case from Akotia to Chebi. So I went to Chebi last Friday. I went there because that day when I laid my complaint to the Akotia police station, they have given me a medical form. I came to Accra 37 Military Hospital for the doctor to sign the medical form. So for now they have transferred the case to Chebi headquarters. I went to Chebi last Friday. I presented the medical form to them. Everything has been settled up today. I have handed over everything to the police officers there, and they assure me, the commander there assured me that Friday, on Monday, Azoka will be arrested. Up to date, I learned they have called him, they invited him, and he said nobody can invite him, and he would not attend to any call of the Ghana police.
Did you get that information from the Ghana police itself, or maybe from the grapevine?
I called them yesterday. I said so far I heard nothing about Azoka arrest, and they told me that they are engaging with Azoka. And I said you would not have to engage with him. It's a crime. You have to go and arrest him the way you went and arrest Aburinye. So in Ghana, what country are we living now? Is the IGP and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama forgotten that it is the taxpayers' money that we used to pay them? Why is it that if the MPP person speaks, you can see BNI, National Security Police arresting him? But Azoka, to some time, even apart from my attack and assault, he make a devastated comment that when he come and see the minority leader, he would kill minority leader, because if he came and meet minority leader there will be a by-election in his constituency. Not even Afayomaki alone. They have threatened Ano Dompre, they have threatened many people. So all those that have been threatened, and they are MPP, are they not Ghanaians? IGP, are they not Ghanaians? So what is this IGP telling us?
Exodus 14:14. Oh, Topapa. Uncle be mouth. Yabeja Yasam, Edia my Bible. Yakudia, and your Bible. Mrs. Amusama Yankasa. Yalishi Yabaka. Ghana for someone who dominated. Ghana for someone who dominated. Yalishi
baby, what you gonna say no about that baby? Your mama, about that baby. What you gonna say no about that baby? Mama, about that baby. What you gonna say no? Adai, kudufo, madina tu kudufo. Daddy, not too. Me say, what say on mine, no. What say on mine, no. What say on mine, no. Too cool. Mama, what say on mine, no. What say on mine, no. What say on mine, no. Too. Oh, yeah,
Honor and the kind. All right. Yeah. So what I want you to understand is, Sir Emra President Nepa Obefa Sambrano Opa Onfabrano Ebesi na pay. President decided say, oh yes, media Mefa Sambrano. Ofa Amrano so. So obi aka chem say o obumra no so o baby se be o ne wo ye de enye so wo ni say ne wo ye enye eno nye mra o se wo a ka bi anka wontu sa na mo no ma enye wo eye ono ena wo tu sa na mo no ye o fe enye o fe eno so another issue but ono de wo tu sa na mo no and of his on breaking law bia o baby
legend back to asama me bisano my BM says enka utimi ya no mamianka argument we end it say in who opinion as a renowned journalist processes are fair muno Bernard into me nkada me my BM say the system te no mampani enko fa so eyi chief justice na enye
Bernard into me can happen me make
legend me ba legend we all build it up no point all build it up Bernard say unya two test no onkofo ni bi di nkomo say yisi boss say empe no ento ko ye supreme leader na premise won say the why no already on issue but legality there.
The supreme leader came in when Onwaka said there is a paper article B and an article no I refer to him as a supreme leader. No patch say oh here the trust of Bernard questioner or person who from president say with all these powers available to him, are we going to have a better separation of powers where the executive will not be kind of high above all the other arms of government?
Exactly.
That was a trust of the question that Obisayan. And the president say, on the crown, and they say, Omanya sa Nemano, Omanya sa majority in parliament because never will be as I saw no two and more say constitutional reviewer as I said or no it will be two and more but sometimes you will not get the majority of parliament for you to prove that and you know one year's position or the bayer name my papa I'm finding name my bonnet
and the legend still Baba see Uncle Yasu any not Bernard Bisa said okay not Uncle Fosse Yempe Chief Justice Oko Easy boss so much as you would do hunkomo. And the non so expectation one because so easy boss me you know.
David
and I say you be you know not a bayer the
I'm paying to me casa. Oh my casa.
David na kobasa dey say Bernard the premise no laying in the question.
No.
I want to hear ko.
David
Bernard Besoche say we are going to have an abuse because
when Nanado and MPPs say they don't like a Charlotte or say or more or less the electoral commissioner. I'm relative free Jubilee House one of the Koyo. There was a process.
Okay.
More fast. some process on fast no. There were a lot of people who say, and you're right, it is not good. But if I saw today, we justify by saying say, Nanado a mumra be so. Quite if I saw, you will be post the same quano ewa, yet be independent free and a sub quanos and no fast. So that's a
legend. The point I'm making is Bernard. Question no be saying.
But the question going at you are.
Be better was, but then say one man be banten to us make clever.
And your banta what
legend. The point I'm making is what the care you will be dada. And any partner say no, I say when they were buying mu. And to when you ube yinana. I don't say there be one responding to why was shift to Kokadi okay and say
one shift.
Oh, legend then you say your constitutional provision amendment be prayer. You to test and son of the air. And don't know who said the Wanyano or abuse him name of the Bayano. But legend man specific say EC boss on so bequana. And he didn't attend to that one. The point I'm making is
President should respond say, oh no, the siege now Queno. He has nothing to do with electoral commission. So electoral commission there, me born home by me nana. That's a petition by
legend. Petition by said okay. We interrogated the petition, then we take it from there.
Exactly. The president cannot just promise people say, "Oh, me the way they mean," you know, because it is beyond him.
Legend. It still goes back to the point to say, as someone me be saying, legend. I say, the point I'm making is say, and if Panas Mobi says, oh, to test majority, and what the card I had about quiet come once,
and yet to test majority, you know, the no, I don't know what I said to test majority, yeah, the CG, legend, CJ, you know,
legend, say, who be someone, or shall say free baby. Until the question build up no and what if you want to walk and walk a say until ube easy boss and
and a question now also one say the guy Bernard made references to some publications
okay,
and he made scenario of senior parliament city and then he just opposed that to other articles that were reading, and people even referring to the president as Abiana Obabe supreme leader.
Sure.
The question that he was asking there, will he become so powerful that the executive will become so powerful that Ebema other form of government, you know,
exactly. Legend, being powerful, you say CJ Kwa, I talking point. Another thing about powerful, they say, Baby EC boss, who you know, then it means to me now, and I would hear the opposite way.
Miraje, say Basse, Yefa, SF for Quambiso. Ne ye see ye electoral commissar. It will come to pass. That is why we have lost. Say, wouldn't Kaya president, Abian Casacuano, Umfaso. But when you're president, now president is and Raman who can say, and the Mobile is so to her. Over two.
It's like the American chat when they say, Mede de Mihun is an Bernard per se. O mama mpani adwen baso se see 2 minute kitano no on say organs no bia be na dwuma pepepe
sa no what was the response of the president
and make say or David Becker say ono de ehuni say majority no o man da nyina ne wo eni o maybe o say san wo yemra ni mu ayentumi nye because they ni majority ye tenya hang parliament and I say tenya numbers e ben into on the ogidi say to me we no abuse na emum Obama yedi ayen hyehyɛ ya you bet you the amendment
so problem is say
the problem they say na Bernard person adwen ba so say to test majority ni ahoɔden na wanya no e ma ne mfa nyi nkrofo ani party for say
in the response of president the ban or what in your
no I'm not convinced at all tina make say
what is the reason that they had pa entina oka say
me not convinced MPP NDC party ma any mpanifo bebre di nkomo wa bonten say yeba IGP yentime ne nya adwuma yeba CJ yentime ne nya adwuma then again third one electoral commission boss IGP ko chief justice ko the aka EC boss enti say obi bisa asem ne nam ho ne ya amfa anu ye na amfa ho ne mom ye ka asem fofora I wouldn't be convinced because me say the ekeka ko no say me enkomo me ya me no udi nei say me enkomo no be ye fruitless Now 4 years now, so near any easy boss. So in the day, then it means that Angela na Bernard free ban. We've gotten there.
No, it's a if AC say say yenya information say AC sa kwatia kra no oye bibi afi na betodwa AC sa blekuma oye bibi say afi na betodwa na asese yi na yakase because NDC nebi ka say yentibi ne is ne nya adwumanti na say is clear say EC has violated idea yes because of that yamanentra
the point is enkomo ye di na bonten dada ansana ye betra akonya so na say ene ehye ase ba akoko mienu ko aka third one
akoko da
me ko proceed sometimes
on say court some mu di ho no say wo achi ho a ultimate na nkoma ade wo di dey say dia no being fail sa being fail no uti dia na chi e na wo kasa wuram na ka chiro mo say ne omo ye no there be a custom you actual and we say ko be a friend Serge Camille or France also be no auto machine some machine capacity to change the minds of people now the machine boka question embassy machine or sacred vaso any free
okay
me your president na say mrama ho kwan say me tu na mom bi abeboa me a metu
legend